Business Brain USA. In this video, we will delve into the top 5 things you need to do on the pathway to getting rich. Please be sure to listen carefully and even take notes, as this material is invaluable to anyone who is serious about leveling up their financial lives. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to be sure not to miss any of our invaluable content in the future. So why don't we go ahead and get that done now? Go ahead, I'll wait. All done? Okay, great. Let's get into it. See, here are the 5 real ways to get rich. Too many people out there are offering ridiculous ideas on how you can become rich. Many of those ideas are about cutting back, and I can promise you that you will not get rich by skipping your daily latte. Look, if you don't have income, then there's no money to save. Don't let anyone give you the idea that you need to skip your Starbucks coffee and save $5 a day, and that somehow in the future that's going to turn into a fortune. Yes, maybe you can skip spending $5 a day at Starbucks every day and save $10,000 over the next 5 years. But if you think 10 grand is going to change your life, then you're not just broke, you're being stupid. Of course you should spend less than you earn, but if you make $50,000 a year and have a couple of kids, what money is there left to save? If you're serious about getting rich, you need to get your mind focused on income. Increase your income enough so that you'll be able to save something substantial. Here are 5 non-fiction tips that you can use that will actually get you to millionaire status. The first is that you need to invest in you. Successful people invest time, energy, and money in improving themselves. A wise man once told me, the best way you can help people in need is not to be someone in need. Help yourself out so that you're in a position to help someone else out. This means investing in yourself to become great at something. I invested in sales training when I was 19. That made my income producing ability skyrocket. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. The second is to find the right job. The rich are able to get in with the right company where there's opportunity for growth. I know a VP of sales that started in an organization working for only $2,500 a month. Still, he was in the right vehicle. He grew his skill set and was able to multiply his monthly income many times over because he knew the business he was in was looking to expand. Too many people just look for a job. Yes, you need a job, but you need the right job, the right vehicle to get you where you want to go. A company's lifeblood is this thing called revenue. Getting commissions rather than just a salary, and you will finally be in control of how much you earn. Number 3, get great at what you do. Commit to being great, not just average. Any industry can be a painful profession for an average and bottom performer, but massively rewarding for those that are great. Those that live, breathe, and eat their profession, those are the obsessed. Those are the great ones. I've never met a great man who wasn't all in and completely consumed by his trade. The question is, are you? The fact is, if you aren't great, then you're average. Average performers don't get rich. The great get rich. The fourth concept here is you need to get multiple connected income streams flowing. You won't get rich without multiple flows of income, period. That starts with the income you currently have. Increase that income and start adding multiple flows. You want what are called symbiotic flows. Don't just add disconnected flows. Instead, find other ways you can add income to the job you already have. My video guy does advertising for me, and after proving himself, he started making advertisements for those connected to me. He didn't start a donut shop. Saving $100,000 shows that you have an ability to make money and keep it. Most people can't do either. That's a quote from an anonymous man, but obviously a genius. So the fifth and final conversation we're going to have is about hitting $100,000 and then investing the rest. First, try to save $100,000. Why? Because you need to prove to yourself that you can go out and get money. If you only have $10,000 saved, your only priority should be increasing your income so that you can save more. Saving $100,000 shows that you have the ability to make money and then to keep it. Most people can't do either. Once you earn and save, then you can start building wealth. I recommend multifamily real estate if you're conservative like me. I never looked to get rich quick, but I did look to get rich. If you'd like to read more about money and investing from one of the smartest people I know on the subject, click the link below and order a copy of Robert Kiyosaki's classic, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you already read it, please leave a comment below as to whether or not you agree with his wealth-building philosophy. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end. If you feel like you received some real value and insight into the mindset of getting rich, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons so as not to miss any of this valuable content. We upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Until next time, we remain
Business Brain USA.